about things as far as the market closing is concerned. So we'll end not at the day's highest point, but about 100 points off the day's high. So we'll got to about 24,226, and yeah, I mean we are at about 22,976 by close. So a little bit of sorry, beg your pardon. The high was 23,137. I was wondering, yeah, 23,140 was the high, and we're at about 22,976 in that sense. So yeah, I mean about a 100 odd point off from the day's highest level is what we have. The Nifty Bank will come up on your screen. Lots of gainers from the Nifty Bank. Although here also there was a bit of a pullback. The high was 49,247, and we're at about at close 48,898 or so on the Nifty Bank. Mid caps and small caps off the lows. The mid cap index ending barely down, and of course the small cap index recovering most of its losses, but still down over 1%, 1.7 actually lower. Market breadth actually got much better by at about 230 was looking super, but we go home with about 2:1 declines to advances at 330. Surabhi.
Absolutely. And final tally for the mid-cap index is a cut of about 0.5%. And if we check up the small-cap index, then the cut is about 1.8%. So the broader market pain isn't entirely over. But yes, there were some good results and earnings that were celebrated today. There were some brokerage upgrades where stocks managed to move higher. And some of the badly bruised and beaten down areas of the market, that's where we saw some buying come back in. Some examples would be Tata Motors, Chola Investments, Sobha, and then, of course, the clutch of financials, J&K Bank, South Indian Bank, many of these names on the upside, but overall, still a bit fragile for the broader market. That's where we take your leave on this edition of Closing Bell. Many thanks for being with us, but don't go anywhere because Markets Forward is coming up right after.